Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So during the VIB sale, I just picked up the Dyson Airwrap. I have had my eye on this for quite some time, like about a month and a half to 2 months. I've been really wanting to try it. So this actually isn't a first impressions. I did try it the day that I got it and I did film it, but I was really like under the weather. I was super just not feeling good. The video was just a hot mess. I had no room to really move. So I decided to play around with this for a few days and then kind of give you guys like my second and third impressions of it. So that's what I'm doing today. As you can see, I am blow drying my hair right now. So in case you guys don't know, the Dyson Airwrap is just this really cool hair dryer from Dyson that comes with a bunch of different attachments. Now, I didn't buy the full kit. I bought the one because there's three. There's one for like thick hair, there's one for fine and thin hair, and then there's just the entire kit. I didn't need the other attachments because I don't have thick hair by any means, so I did just pick up the base kit, which is just for fine hair. So I did pick that up. So I don't have all, I think I'm only missing like 3 or 4 attachments, which is no big deal to me because my hair is super thin. So I was just drying my hair just now with the little Dyson hair dryer that it comes with. And now I'm just like sectioning off my hair because I'm going to dry the rest of my hair using the barrels. What I was doing with the hair dryer was just pretty much just getting my roots pretty dry so that I can now go ahead and switch to using the barrels because they don't get super close to your root, so you have to kind of dry your root a little bit more. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the first barrel and I'm curling away from my face. Now, if you guys have seen videos on this before, you know that each barrel has an arrow, so it'll show you which direction the hair is going. It is a little bit confusing sometimes. Look at my curl. It's all like a little bouncy. But it can get a little confusing. You'll see a few times throughout this video that I put it the wrong way and then my hair kind of goes all over the place because I put the direction the wrong way. But it is more so a learning curve than anything. With this device, you do have a cool setting. So now what I've been doing is I've been like drying my hair for like 10 to 15 seconds on the hot setting and then holding the cool setting for about the same 10 to 15 seconds because my hair, it takes a lot of work to really get it to hold a curl and just to really stay all day. So that's the struggle that I've been having with this Airwrap for the most part, is getting the curl to last. So yesterday I did wash my hair. My hair isn't really wet here. It's more on the damp side. You of course don't want to go in with sopping wet hair because that'll just be a total hot mess. So I do have more damp hair. When I first tried out this product, I was using all the attachments because I was so excited, and I was trying the little round brush that it comes with, and that was not my thing. It was getting caught in my hair. It was making my hair super staticky. I don't know if it's because of how dry the air is here in New York because we are still kind of like in winter. Hasn't really got to like warm summer days yet. But since we are kind of still in winter, the air is still super dry, so my hair gets really staticky. So that's what I was noticing with some of the other attachments, like the brush attachment and the round brush attachment, that my hair was getting a little more staticky than I would like. But so far, it's not bad. It is definitely a learning curve. By the way, I'm just talking and I'm showing you in the video like what I'm doing, but I'm just kind of giving you guys like my first real impressions on it. It is definitely a learning curve and it is something that I have to get used to. I have watched so many tutorials, so many videos on it, and a lot of people like really love it, and I'm kind of like 50-50. Like I love the result, but a few hours into it, my curls are completely fallen and my hair is more like on the wavy side, and then by the next day when I wake up, my hair is kind of straight. So I do have to play around with it more because I want to make sure that I can use this like again on my dry hair to like kind of retouch my curls. I haven't really tried that just yet. But yesterday was the first time where my hair actually came out decent, where I was actually really happy with it. The results that I got yesterday I was recording this yesterday. That's why I keep saying yesterday. But the results that I got were super bouncy curls. My hair from the root was super like voluminous, nothing like it usually ever is. The roots of my hair are usually pretty flat. So I was really pleasantly surprised with that. But the only thing with this is it is a learning curve. I love that it dries your hair and styles your hair at the same time. I think that's awesome. But it is just, like I keep saying, a learning curve because it's something that's so different. So I keep wanting to treat it like it's a regular curling iron when it's not. And it's just something that I have to get used to, which is totally fine. But I did get 20% off of this, which is the only reason why I bought it, because even though I didn't buy the full kit, the kit that I did buy is $4.99, so it is still $500 with the 20% off because of the VIB sale. I did only pay like $3.99 for it, so I mean it's still friggin' really, really expensive, but it's not as expensive as it would have been, which is great. On the side of my hair that I'm doing right now, I don't know if you guys were looking or even noticed, but last year I got gum stuck in my hair on that side, so I had to cut like a big chunk of my hair out. So the bottom layer of my hair has like a bunch of these little short pieces. So it's kind of hard for me on the right side of my head to do my hair because of that. And this makes it a little bit harder because the hair is so short that I can't get it onto the air wrap. So it is a little bit more difficult for me on the right side, but that's only because I have those little short pieces underneath my hair. When I lift my hair, you can kind of see. But I have been enjoying it, and since I've been in quarantine for most of the time since I've had this, I have been like practicing with it every single day. Like it's something that I make sure that I like practice with and practice with and practice with because I really want to get the hang of this and I want my hair to look bouncy all the time. The one thing I will say is once I finished everything, my hair looked like a fresh blowout. Like it looked like I literally just went to my hair girl. She gave me a blowout and it just looked so good. The only thing is it was a little time consuming because I realized when I first tried this, I wasn't sectioning off my hair, and I feel like that's why I was kind of struggling with it because I was putting a lot of hair on the barrel, and you're not supposed to do that, but I was just so like overexcited that that's what I was doing. So that's why in this video I am sectioning off my hair to give it to like make it a little bit easier on the barrel. As you could see in that last clip when I showed you guys the back of my hair, one side of my hair looked longer than the other side because on my left side my curls had already fallen. So as you can see, it wasn't even that long, but my hair had already fallen since the time I finished there to the time I finished the other side of my hair. So the curls do fall pretty quickly, quicker than when I use my my wand or anything like that. But I just really wanted to show you guys how I've been doing my hair and what it's been looking like. So leave me your thoughts down below. Let me know any tips and tricks that you guys have if you guys own this. Let me know down below. But I just really wanted to show you guys how I have been using it to curl my hair and give you guys my thoughts on it. I do think it is an awesome kit. One thing I do want to say is for people with longer hair, I was like noticing in a lot of the other videos that people were saying that they wish the barrels were a little bit longer, especially for people with longer hair. I was on the Dyson website, and when you go under their like hair accessories or their hair tools and you look for at the Dyson Airwrap, it gives you additional barrels. So you can actually buy longer barrels for the Airwrap, and they're not that expensive, and they're actually as long as like a regular hair wand would be. They're only like $39 and you get 2 barrels. There's like 2 different sizes, like the ones that come in the kit. I think it's like 1.2 inches and then like 1.6. And you are able to purchase longer attachments for those of you that have longer hair. Even though my hair isn't too long, it does have a little bit of an issue getting attached to the barrel for different sections of my hair just because of how small the barrel is. So if I do wind up keeping this, I will for sure be purchasing the longer barrels, so it makes it a little bit easier when I'm doing my hair. But yeah, so the rest of this video is just going to be me testing out the Airwrap and showing you guys how I do it. Let me know if you guys like how my hair came out. I'm still like 50-50 on it. You'll see my expression at the end of the video. I'm like, I like it, but I don't like it. I like it, but I don't like it. But I do genuinely like it. I know I'm like kind of all over the place. But no, I do seriously like it, and like I keep saying, it's just a learning curve, so I'm just going to keep practicing every single day until I get the hang of it. I always say this whenever I try something new, but at first I usually hate everything, and then I use it a few more times, and then I really wind up liking a lot of this stuff. So yeah, that's really all I have to say for you guys. Those are my real first, second, third, fourth impressions of the Dyson Airwrap. I think it is super cool. For those of you that don't have fine hair like me, and like super thin hair, I think your curls might hold up a little bit better than mine do, but mine kind of just fall because my hair is just so fine and stuff. But I still have to figure out how to make it last a little bit longer. That cool setting that is on the Dyson is supposed to really set your curl in place. So like I said before, I do make sure that I hold that button for like 10 to 15 seconds to really make sure that I'm cooling my hair and really setting the style. But yeah, so those are all my thoughts on the Dyson Airwrap. I'm sure I will have a lot more videos up for you guys of me using this because I really want to show you guys my journey and show you guys how I've adapted to it. But yeah, so if you guys were interested in picking up the Dyson Airwrap or something from Dyson from Sephora, now is the time because the VIB sale does end on the 1st. So right now is for sure the time to get that 20 or 10 or 15% off any of these products if you did have your eyes on them. And I did purchase it from Sephora because they have a great return policy, and I know that if I don't wind up liking it, I can always return it. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. Those are all my thoughts. Let me know down below if you guys have the Dyson Airwrap. Let me know if you guys love it, if you think it's a waste of money. Leave me all your tips and all your thoughts down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this little voiceover with my thoughts and all. I had a lot to say in this video, but I really hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!